Hey guys, my name is Boejibby and I'm someone coming. And we're doing a battle.
Yeah, because no one will comment.
Yeah,
That's very sad.
that's a shame. If you're watching, please leave a comment on the first video and this. Before you watch this, go to the first video.
Well done,
Sam's
notification.
not skipping. Well, if you watch this video, go to the other video, watch it, and leave a comment.
Because
Comments. Because we really don't know who won this fight.
yeah,
We don't know.
me.
So let's just destroy the second one, which Sam's standing on. So he's fell over. Ha ha ha! It was a dog.
Doghouse.
Ooh.
I know what I'm gonna do here. Kinda. This room. Oh God.
And by the way, sorry, the world before with that other one, it just got deleted for some reason. It just disappeared. I don't know how that happened. I'm gonna go into a different room now,
And I'm gonna count down this time. Okay. So I'm gonna now put it in the comment finger. It's gonna go 3. Then we're just gonna put a smile on face. Now let's send that 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, let's do this. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a dog house. Shall we just make a house? Put a dog in it? No, that's way too obvious. Okay. What we're gonna do is build a giant dog house. I know what you might be thinking. No, that's way too intense. You're right. It is. I'm not gonna have enough time. So we're doing this up to 10 minutes of the recording. I think. I'm not sure anymore. But we built a ginormous wall of fire then. Okay, so we gotta build. Gotta build faster. Die! Okay, I wish I could like do things. But I can't do things because people stop me from doing things and I want to do things. So yeah. People kill me sometimes, but I'm fun. Yep, see 10 minutes, yeah. Okay. Nice, that means he wasted his time typing. That's good. He broke a block right here 1 minute. Hello? Okay, whatever. Okay, I need to stop building because that's not a very long time. So we're gonna start building the doghouse. And inside the doghouse is gonna be a pot. Just a pot. That's all the dog gets. A pot. So I don't know if I want to make like a real life dog. Or like if I have time to build a dog. Maybe I have to just spawn one in and trap it. Maybe that'll work, but yeah. I feel like that I need to build a bit more than that. So I'm doing the head first. Because I can. And I like doing heads. Boom. Boom, boom. So I don't know what he's doing right now. I'm gonna ask him the rules after the recording. Because I think we can take. Like, he didn't say anything about like you don't know more the rules. It's build. Build. You build. That's the only rule. So I'm gonna ask him. Well, not the only rule. We're not allowed to like break the entire wall and just look at the person's building and go, "Hi, how you doing, buddy?" And you're not allowed to like break them. But the first one was a beach. Next one was well, this one. Way better. Oh God. This is so intense. 6 minutes. 7 minutes. How much minutes left? I don't know. I'm dumb. Don't ask. 5. Why am I so dumb? I'm dumb stupid. And also, I think we're allowed to use swiftness, but I think it'll waste our time grabbing it. So I'm not gonna. And yeah, just chilling here, being a true homie. Oh no, that won't work. Damn, I messed up, guys. I messed up so much. I messed up like so soon. I could even say I messed up. Like, oh, I'm sorry, it's gonna feel dark. I will grab a potion of night vision. Need that. Night vision. I know I'm wasting time, but for the viewers. Don't worry, I will find that night vision somewhere. They all look the same to me. I am wasting a lot of time right now. What is night vision? I swear, if I do not get night vision, like, I'm behind the end of this video. No, I'm sorry, viewers. I'm sorry. I am actually very sorry. But we're gonna have to play in the dark. Oh, I accidentally broke it. I broke the wall, kinda. So, I think I'm only gonna have time to build the doghouse. Because I'm very slow at building. And, I got a sneak peek of what. Oh, God, golly, God, so much. I said God so much that I could even say God. Not that much time left, is there? Sammy Claus. Did you hear that dog? What is Joe doing? He might be killing a dog. I don't know if you guys know, but I did the sadness and stuff. Because, I don't know. But still, oh, 2 minutes left. Oh no. So my doghouse. Not good. Oh come on, I at least have to like. What I think I at least have to do is add a ball. Because I'm not that fast at building in this version. I'm fast at building any other versions, I swear, but still I'm pretty bad at building anyway. So I'm gonna build a ball now. Doggy ball. It's gonna be a doggy ball. Well, that's nice of him. I think he's trying to tame a dog, but he's hitting him. I don't think he knows that you have to hold him. I don't think he knows yet. I think he's gonna look at my build. I'm scared now. I'm actually utterly scared that he's gonna look at my build and be like, "Oh my god, that's a good build." And then when I show him, he's gonna be like, "Yeah, I know the build, dude. I looked at it." And I'm like, "Oh, okay. Need white for the bone. Okay. Stay calm, viewers. No, stay calm. I said stay calm. You're not staying calm. I'm trying to build this spawn. This doesn't look good. Okay, time's up. god, I'm this time. Time's up. Woo! Okay, so I guess I'll pause that one for him to come in. Okay, so I guess we should get sleep now.
That did not work.
Yeah, same. Like, mine is terrible. You have no idea. I tried went in for the big build.
Did you see that dog come round your corner? And
Yeah, I know. I saw you with a sword. I'm like, oh my god. I was terrified. Like, I think you had to hold it to like tame it. Hold it with the bone.
It wasn't goodness.
Okay, so I guess I'll come to your side.
Okay.
Oh my word.
Well, I wonder who's won.
Yeah, I didn't finish it though. I forgot to eat.
So he's got this miserable old house with a little pool and a dog treat.
No.
Well, I've got
This is a bottle of water.
Well,
Water.
I've got this massive house with carpets and
Yeah, it's
disco
massive.
ball.
It's massive, isn't it?
Yep.
You should have used sea lantern for that. And, yeah. Oh, it just reminds me of Stampy's like doghouse.
Definitely tell us who's won. And when you see this, please do comment on the other video. No one's commented yet, and we're so sad about it.
I know. I'm like.
And comment on this one too, you know, because that would be helpful. What are you doing in that water? Put it back. Put it back. I swear to God, put it back.
Okay, I put
Put
it
it
back.
back.